Union Territories, a quick view. India comprises 28 states and 8 Union Territories. Union Territories are Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, National Capital Territory of Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Lakshadweep, Ladakh, Puducherry and Chandigarh. Andaman Nicobar Islands, capital Port Blair. The state bird, Andaman wood pigeon. State animal, dugong. More info about Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a union territory of India consisting of 572 islands, of which 38 are inhabited at the junction of Bay of Bengal and the Andaman Sea. Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Capital, Daman. State bird and animal not yet designated. More info. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu has been established as a new union territory on 26 January 2020. National Capital Territory of Delhi. Capital, Delhi. State bird, house sparrow. State animal, nilgai. More info. Delhi. Delhi is one of the oldest cities in the world, served as a capital of various kingdoms and empires, mostly notable the Thomas, Delhi Sultanate and Mughals. Lakshadweep. Capital, Kavaratti. State bird, brown noddy. State animal, black-perched butterfly fish. More info about Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is a union territory of India. It is an archipelago of 36 islands in the Arabian Sea. Malayalam is spoken by majority of the people in all the islands of Lakshadweep. Ladakh. Capital, Leh. More info about Ladakh. Following a long pending demand to make Ladakh a union territory, it was finally bifurcated on 31st October 2019. The union territory of Ladakh is without legislature. It comprises of two districts, Leh and Kargil. State bird and animal not yet designated since 2019. Jammu and Kashmir. Capital, Srinagar. State bird, Kashmir flycatcher. State animal, Kashmir stag. Why is Jammu and Kashmir divided into two union territories? Answer is, the state of Jammu and Kashmir was accorded special status by Article 370 of the Constitution of India. At the same time, a Reorganization Act was also passed, which would reconstitute the state into two union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. The reorganization took effect from 31st October 2019. Puducherry. Capital, Pondicherry. State bird, Asian quail. State animal, Indian squirrel. More info. Pondicherry is a little town tucked away in the southeast coastline of India, and it is a destination that promises travelers sanctity and serenity in the real sense of the terms. Chandigarh. Capital, Chandigarh. State bird, Indian grey hornbill. State animal, Indian grey mongoose. More info. Chandigarh, a union territory that is the capital of both Punjab as well as Haryana, is India's first planned city. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.